This guide will help you disable certain graphics settings in Overwatch 2 to improve performance or adjust your gaming experience. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Overwatch 2 on your computer. Wait for the game to load to the main menu where you can access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. From the main menu, click on the gear icon or options to open the settings menu. This is where you can adjust various game settings, including graphics. Step 3. Navigate to graphics settings. In the settings menu, find and select the graphics tab. This section contains all the visual settings that can be adjusted or disabled. Step 4. Disable specific graphics options. Look for options such as VSync, anti-aliasing, or shadows. Click on each setting you wish to disable and change them to off or low as needed to reduce graphical load. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After making your adjustments, make sure to click the Apply button to save your changes. Then, exit the settings menu and return to the game to see the effects of your adjustments. By following these steps, you can easily disable graphics settings in Overwatch 2 to enhance your gameplay experience. Enjoy your game.